Okay guys, I will start with adding my rice. I'll just be using half a cup of rice because I don't want to make a lot of product. I usually just make a product that's gonna last for 7 days. That's how long I want to keep my DIY product. And then just gonna put it on. I think it's a little bit too much. This one is fine. And then I'm gonna add water just to wash it. Just gonna massage it through. So I'm gonna drain this water. For the second time, you want to make sure that you remove all, what is it called, not the starch, but the impurities that are in the rice, right? In my pot I have my flaxseed as well as my rice and water in there. Just gonna bring it to heat. Just make sure that you mix everything together and just leave it to boil for at least 15 minutes. After 15 minutes of boiling, I just added more water so that it can get more softer and easy to blend. Just put my mixture on the blender to just mix everything, and that's how it's looking now. I'm applying the mixture to my face. Make sure that you do this at least 7 days before you throw away your product. At least in 7 days, you know, the dark spot will be gone, or you can redo it and just continue with it for at least 10 days if your dark spot are not there. But I can assure you this mixture will take.
Sentir la musique, je peux sentir le jazz, ça me fait quelque chose.
After leaving it on my face for at least 10 minutes, this is how it's looking. My face is so firm, you can't even open your mouth because it's gonna be so hitting. This is how my face looked like after I washed out the product. It looks so bright, but my dark spots are more pronounced. But I think this will get better as I continue to use the product for at least 7 days. Thank you very much guys for watching my video. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.